Good afternoon, children. In the last class, we had studied earlier newspapers of India. Today, we will continue with the topic. Open your textbook, page number 33 and 34. Kesari and Maratha. Kesari and Maratha were two important newspapers started by Gopal Ganesh Agarkar and Bal Gangadhar Tilak before independence in the year 1881. These newspapers spoke about social and political issues of that period. Through these newspapers, they made an awareness among the people that the disadvantages of British rule and importance of independence. Kesari was a Marathi newspaper. It began to publish articles about nationwide situations, books in the native languages and politics of England during that period. Maratha was an English newspaper. Okay, next paragraph. Children, even in the 21st century, newspaper have an important role. It is acknowledged as fourth column or fourth pillar of democracy. The other three pillars of democracy are judiciary, legislature and executive. Now, let us move to next topic, magazines and journals. Magazines and journals are periodical publications. It published on a particular period of time. For example, weekly means it published once in a week. Bi-weekly, it published once in 15 days. Monthly, it published once in a month. Bi-monthly means published once in 2 months. Quarterly means it published once in 3 months. 6 monthly and annually. These are magazines and journals. Some chronicles are also published at no fixed time. Children, chronicles means historical events according to occurrence or a sequence. Now, next paragraph. Digdarshan was the first Marathi monthly magazine started by Balshastri Jambekar. Another periodical named Pragati started by Trayambak Shankar Sejwalkar in the year 1929. But children, now it is not existing or it is not functioning. He wrote regularly in this journal about historiography of Maharashtra's history and social movements of that period. Next paragraph. Currently, there are many periodicals devoted to Indian history. For example, Bharatiya Idihas Ani Samskriti and Maratha Vada Idihas Parishad Patrika are prominent among them. Next paragraph. Electronical or digital journalism. Up to now, we came to understand what are the newspaper used in earlier time. Now, we look about modern journalism. Electronical or digital journalism are ultra-modern periodicals form a part of electronic of digital journalism. First one, radio. Indian Broadcasting Company, it is in short it is known as IBC. It's a private radio company, was the first one to broadcast daily programs. Later, IBC was taken over by the British government named as Indian State Broadcasting Service or ISBS. Again, on 8th June 1936, it was named as All India Radio or AIR. Next paragraph. Children, after independence, All India Radio became an important part of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting of India. Initially, it was broadcasted government programs and schemes only. All India Radio renamed as Akashvani on the suggestion of famous poet Pandit Narendra Sharma. Next paragraph. Even in the 21st century, Akashvani broadcasting various programs. For example, entertainment programs, literacy program, special programs for farmers, workers, youth and women. The Vibhid Bharati program are broadcasting in 24 regional languages. Various new channel like Radio Mirchi are providing radio services now. And children, we all know every last Sunday of every month, our Prime Minister talking to the nation through radio, it is named as Man Ki Baat. Till radio is using as a important mass media in the 21st century also. Okay, children, today we stop here. We will continue the topic in the next class. You have to complete your assignment.